Hi guys, here I'm gonna show how to get verified on Instagram. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So to verify, you need to enter into your profile. Over there you may see the edit profile icon or edit profile option. Please click it. Once you click, you need to enter into the show that your profile is verified option. So please click it and you may see unlock benefits. So above mentioned benefits like verified badge, increase account protection or enhanced support, upgrade profile link, all those has been up unlocked when you unlock your verified and get paid to this. So once you pay, you can get all the above mentioned benefits. That's one of the benefits is verified badge. So once you pay the required amount, it's vary based on your location and region. Your badge will be verified and you get the badge after you pay. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.